Tired of battling dry, frizzy, or unmanageable hair no matter how much you condition it in the shower? The solution may lie in what happens after the rinse. Leave-in treatments. These hair-saving formulas work beyond the wash, delivering lasting hydration, heat protection, and style manageability. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best leave-in treatments you can buy right now. If you want salon-quality results at home, this list is for you. Let's break down what makes each of these products worth the shelf space. Kicking off our list at number 1, Ouai Leave-In Conditioner. The Ouai Leave-In Conditioner is a fan-favorite, multitasking treatment that's all about effortless, healthy-looking hair. Formulated by celebrity stylist Jen Atkin, this product combines luxury with functionality, offering hydration, detangling, and heat protection all in one sleek spray. It caters to all hair types and is especially suited for those looking for lightweight conditioning without greasiness. Key features: this leave-in contains amino acids for strengthening, tamarind seed extract for hydration, and panthenol to lock in moisture. What sets it apart is its thermal protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for those who style daily. It's also free of parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, making it safe for colored and chemically treated hair. Benefits and usage: the Ouai Leave-In Conditioner is best used on damp hair after a shower. A few spritzes from mid-length to ends offer instant detangling and a noticeably smoother texture. Users often find it improves manageability, cuts down blow-dry time, and makes hair feel noticeably softer over time. It also layers well with other styling products. Usability: it comes in an easy-to-use spray bottle with a light floral scent that isn't overpowering. Whether you have fine, thick, curly, or straight hair, it works effectively without weighing strands down. It's also travel-friendly, and the mist is evenly dispersed for quick application on the go. Durability: a standard 4.7-ounce bottle goes a long way since a little product truly does the job. Most users report a bottle lasting at least 2 to 3 months with regular use. Its results also hold up well throughout the day, helping maintain frizz control and moisture retention for hours after application. In the second spot, we have Briogeo Rosarco. The Briogeo Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray is a nutrient-packed treatment specifically crafted for dry, brittle, or damaged hair. Part of Briogeo's clean hair care line, this spray fuses natural oils with vitamins to both hydrate and protect without compromising hair health. It's perfect for those who prefer green beauty with real results. Key features: this leave-in contains a potent blend of rosehip, argan, and coconut oils, hence the name Rosarco. These oils nourish hair with essential fatty acids and antioxidants. It also includes vitamin E to combat environmental damage and heat-induced dryness. Free from silicones, sulfates, and artificial dyes, it's a clean yet powerful formula. Benefits and usage: for best results, spray it generously on towel-dried hair before combing or styling. It instantly makes detangling easier and reduces breakage. Over time, it helps restore shine, smooth rough cuticles, and reduce frizz. It's especially beneficial for curly or color-treated hair that needs deep moisture without added weight. Usability: the spray nozzle distributes product evenly, making it simple to use even for those new to leave-ins. Its light, milky consistency absorbs well without leaving residue. With a gentle, barely there fragrance, it's also a great option for scent-sensitive users. Durability: a 5-ounce bottle lasts quite long thanks to the concentrated formula. Most users find that even with regular use, one bottle stretches for several months. The long-term repair benefits also increase with consistent use, making it an investment in healthier, more resilient hair. Coming in at number 3 is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. The Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 treatment isn't just a leave-in conditioner. It's an all-in-one hair styler, heat protectant, frizz fighter, volumizer, and strengthener. Developed by biotech scientists, it's ideal for anyone who wants multiple benefits without using 5 separate products. Key features: this treatment contains the patented healthy hair molecule, OFPMA, which smooths, strengthens, and repels dirt and oil. It also includes conditioning agents and thickening molecules that create volume and hold. It's silicone-free, safe for color-treated hair, and designed to provide cumulative benefits with repeated use. Benefits and usage: apply a dime-sized amount to damp hair from roots to ends before blow-drying or air-drying. It instantly adds body, controls flyaways, and enhances shine. Users often notice improved hair texture, more bounce, and less need for frequent washing due to its dirt-repelling properties. Usability. The cream texture glides easily through hair and works well for fine to medium hair types. It's especially useful for those who like to air dry but still want polish and smoothness. The scent is clean and subtle, and the packaging is compact enough for daily use or travel. Durability. Since the formula is rich and effective in small doses, the 4-ounce tube can last several months. Users report that the performance improves over time, as the hair gradually becomes healthier and easier to style with each application. Taking our 4th spot is MoroccanOil Treatment. MoroccanOil Treatment Original is a legendary product in the leave-in category and often the first product people think of when they hear argan oil. It's a luxurious oil-based formula that works as a conditioner, styler, and shine enhancer in one. It's ideal for those seeking intense hydration, smoothness, and a sleek finish. Key features. Its core ingredient is antioxidant-rich argan oil, which nourishes dry strands and repairs damage. It also contains linseed extract to enhance hair health and improve elasticity. The formula is infused with MoroccanOil's signature scent, a warm, slightly spicy aroma that's instantly recognizable. Benefits and usage. Apply a small amount, a pump or less, to damp or dry hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to ends. It helps detangle, speeds up drying time, and controls frizz with a glossy, non-greasy finish. It's perfect for chemically treated, color-damaged, or naturally coarse hair that needs extra care. Usability. Though it's oil-based, it's incredibly lightweight and absorbs quickly without residue. The bottle design makes it easy to dispense just the right amount. It can also be mixed with masks or conditioners for added nourishment, making it very versatile. Durability. Available in various sizes, even the 3.4-ounce bottle lasts several months because only a small amount is needed per use. It maintains consistent performance across climates and holds up well throughout the day, delivering shine and softness without touch-ups. And finally, at number 5, we have Amika the Wizard. Amika The Wizard Detangling Primer is a modern multitasking leave-in spray designed for busy users who want instant results. It combines heat protection, detangling, and nourishment with a lightweight formula and a signature salon scent. This is ideal for users with all hair types looking to speed up styling without skipping hair health. Key features. The Wizard features avocado oil for hydration, seed buckthornberry for omega fatty acids, and provitamin B5 to smooth and strengthen hair. It also offers thermal protection and cuts down blow-dry time significantly. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and free from sulfates, parabens, and artificial colors. Benefits and usage. To use, spray on damp hair before brushing and styling. It instantly removes knots, adds slip, and preps the hair for heat tools. It softens coarse textures and helps prevent heat damage, making it perfect for frequent stylers. It can also be used between washes for touch-ups. Usability. The lightweight mist is easy to apply and doesn't leave buildup. It works for curly, straight, fine, or thick hair alike, and its bright packaging and delightful scent make it a treat to use. The even mist ensures every strand is covered without oversaturating. Durability. The 4-ounce bottle typically lasts a couple of months, even with regular use. Its detangling power and heat protection remain reliable over time, and most users find their hair feeling softer and looking healthier with consistent application. It's an all-in-one prep spray that truly performs. There you have it, the top 5 best leave-in treatments that deliver real results for every hair type and concern. Whether you need detangling, moisture, heat protection, or just a boost of shine, there's a product on this list to match your routine. Each one has been chosen for its performance, usability, and long-term benefits. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and updates. Take the step toward healthier, more manageable hair. Your strands will thank you.